For tripod headstand, bring your head and your palms in a triangle, elbows aligned with your shoulders, lift your hips, walk your toes towards the head. Once you're ready, pull the navel in and lift the knees, lift the toes, make your legs straight and hold the core tight. Do not compress your neck at any point. Make the toes straight, make the legs straight, and hold the body straight up. Once you're ready, keep the core engaged and slowly bring the toes down up to the length of your navel just to test your core strength. Inhale, lift up the legs. When you're ready, repeat the same thing one more time. Pull the hips a little back. Draw the navel in. Push the legs down up to your navel. Hold that position, or if you want to just relax, rest your legs. Come off the mat and slowly rest in child pose. Breathe a lot.